Hey, it's Sebastian here, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. Thought I'd give you an update on the 66 Classic Chevy project we're working on. We got some help today. We're hauling it out. The previous owner was a bit of a hoarder, and we have quite a bit of stuff in the bed. We're going to clean the bed off. We're going to get it out and take the bed off today, hopefully. Depends how rusted the bolts are. And I'll give you an update in just a second. We actually have the front clip off and the engine out, and I'll tell you how that went.
Turn. There's another way.
All right, so we have the bed off. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. We had 8 carriage bolts. A little bit of different operation here. This was definitely not stock. We had a piece of plywood. We ripped it off, as you can see in the video. Got that off so we can see the frame is actually in really good shape. Pretty excited to power wash this off and see what we got. We got the engine off. It's got some mounts in the front. Easy to take that off, just unhook. It definitely is easier to take the front clip off and get that out of the way. Next up, we'll take the cab off. We'll power wash the bed, clean it all up. We got some brakes to do. We got to clean the engine up, transmission. All right, so I showed you all the parts. You see where we're at. Make sure you hit subscribe button down below. Yes, hit subscribe. We want to see more. Definitely check out the redneck videos I do. Check out Sunday night live stream. Have a glass of whiskey with me. We have a good time. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, however the hell that works. All variations of Pickup Truck Plus SUV, or Pickup Truck and SUV, whichever social media network requires. Ignore the dog in the background, and we'll see you down the road.